You guys made it to the next project. It's a 3-mile bridge boat ramp. Skanska's done using it now, so we got the dock. It's kind of in bad shape. It's been beat up by the boats that were coming in and out hitting it. It's just also old also, so we're going to go ahead and do a little refurbish on it and get it back in order. You see the catwalk, cross ties, probably been beat up by the boats coming in here, kind of falling apart, so we're going to probably change some of these pilings out here and get this boardwalk put back together so it's functional. On that. Hey guys, we had to get the barge moved from Wayside Park. We're moving over here up into the bayou. We got winds coming in from the northwest at 20 miles an hour, and I just don't want to take a chance with that thing sitting out there. But one of my customers over here was gracious enough to let me tie up to his dock that we built several years ago in the seawall, so you can see it's still looking really, really good. Hey guys, we're back over at Wayside Park, finishing up on the pier over here. We got this first one done, the south dock, got the bumpers on, the decking on, and now we're working over on the other side over here right now, getting the other dock tore apart. Gonna go ahead and get the cross ties put back on, get them bolted on, and then get started with the synthetic decking on top. Hey guys, we got this project completed over here at the bridge. Got all the decking replaced, some of the framing replaced, a lot of the bolts replaced, and a couple of poles were rotted off. Just got it back into working shape like it was before. Hope everybody enjoys the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and a comment if you got one. Thanks.